spoiler alert, guys, this video isn't going to be in detail to know completely about this book. I'm only trying to make you aware of what I researched and learned from this book, so I will only share you as much information as I can in this relatively short video, so that it may help you know whether this book is useful for you. Finally, make a right move to buy or listen to this book in more detail. Anyways, give it a try. Friends, have you ever heard this quote? Remember, if you don't prioritize your life, someone else will. Guys, this famous quote is taken from the book Essentialism, which was authored by McKeown. So are you ready to learn the key points of this book in less than 1 minute? Then just keep listening. So what is this book all about? In this famous book Essentialism, the author McKeown, through his vast personal experience, explains us how we have to get rid of things which make us bad by keeping only the essentials to live for, having a life free of distractions which lead us down. Some important points from this book. He says us that essentialism is mainly based on 4 concepts. He says us to analyze and remove all our unimportant tasks or things, and says us to only concentrate on only those which are vital. He says us that we adults have to make some time available so that we can play. He says us that we have to use our shame in education and in developing our business as a motivating factor to grow and bring change in ourselves. He says us that we have to eliminate activities which actually make us slow down, and we have to concentrate on setting our boundaries. What else you can find in this book? You will learn about the 4 basic pillars of essentialism. You will learn about the minimum criteria approach. You will learn why our goals have to be specific. You will learn how the sunk cost bias ruined the Concord. And many more to learn. So finally, to whom we can recommend this book? Guys, we can recommend this book to anyone who always underestimate how many times things happen.